about the Doof? What do you think about that?
Doof is a good one.
I do have a shotgun set up.
Preparation is done. Now you deploy to the war zone.
I've gotten some shotgun kills in this one.
With the barrel that's got like whole aerated barrel or whatever. He's kind of good.
There's like an orange colored shotgun that's like chonky that I think is pretty good.
Alright, String. Trust your every move.
Battle Royale.
That was better because I was
All right,
followed.
soldier.
I guess I was right
Point
behind
for
you.
your
You
team.
were dying and then I was getting scrapped.
Point against.
Little scrappers.
Little scrapper doodles. We almost wiped that team, but you guys happened to jump in the window right as the second guy.
Yeah.
Or the third guy around.
Hunt the enemy down.
Oh,
Armor
I'm
box
here.
right off the bat.
You got a Mac 10, huh?
Guns here.
Someone
Soldier incoming.
Nah.
or not a Mac 10, but that other fast.
Chopper coming in.
The harpy.
I got no
Enemy
gun.
UAV
I'm going down here real
Assault
quick.
rifle.
Hang on, what's that?
I actually kind of needed that. I'm sorry I pinged
Okay.
it.
It's alright. I just found 2 guns.
Somebody's flying the
Don't
helo
forget there's
kinda
ammo
close.
over here.
Spotted
Oh.
a shotgun.
Definitely a good shot here.
Whole team. I'm
Careful.
pushing that way. Grab
Where?
that bounty if you can. Brett.
But I'm about to shoot this chopper.
Bounty contract.
There's a chopper this way too, really close, Brett.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I got rid of it. I got rid of the rocket. Oh, they just jumped out.
I downed him.
Nice job.
Guy right here, he's shooting
I'm
at
on
you,
the move.
Burnett. At orange. Down. I'm just gonna cover my boy for a little bit. I hear
I'm gonna
footsteps.
kill this guy. I don't see
That's
this
you,
guy.
right?
Where is he?
He's over that hill.
Mark from right
He's
there.
probably gonna get rezzed.
He's probably gonna self.
Yep.
Little vehicle
He's
coming up.
driving away. I think that was him. I think it's the guy down.
Oh, I could
I'm
have
gonna
got
go grab the.
bounties.
I need
Oh,
to grab
actually,
my
this guy-
ammo crate. Do you guys care if I run back real quick?
No, I'm gonna go get the bounty.
No, I'm gonna come with you. I'll come with you.
I need my boys. I'm terrified.
Oh, there's tons of stuff.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Okay. Only gives you 60 rounds of AR, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And you know that right here, there's a little regen crate. So if anybody dies and needs like an easy spot to come back, it's okay.
Should
Okay.
we move
I'm on the
up
move.
towards our bounty? Is that too crazy?
Yeah, we never go up there.
I like this spot up
I
here.
mean, or we go to parade ground. To
We
the
gotta wait
tents.
for Burnett. He's really far.
Oh, our guy's flying or something?
We got gas moving in.
I go right and use this wall here for cover. I'm moving. Oh yeah.
Our bounty's going down to the tents.
Okay.
Oh, you see him? He just popped his
Hostage
chute.
sighted.
Yep. Careful this.
Yep.
If
Oh,
you
he's right here.
He's getting engaged. I'm going to this.
Yeah,
building
I got a
for just
plate
second.
box too, just so you guys know.
I can see him. He's right here. Down one. Oh.
Right here. I got your cover. Can you?
Yep, I'm dead.
I got your cover. He's moving. Down the guy that downed you.
Thank
He's
you.
right over here on the ground.
Be careful, they can come up behind us eventually.
Killed
them
him
in
in
it.
Let's get inside that building because someone's gonna peek
They're
down.
right down
Which
below
building?
us, and we should get these
Yeah,
guys.
we
right
could go
here.
down there and get them.
Alright.
Oh, oh,
Enemy soldier incoming.
now they're close to us. We're here.
Oh. What the fuck are these people? They're shooting
I
at
don't
me.
know.
I can't see
How do I
them.
not see him?
They're up here on the roof of this building I'm on.
Fuck, are they in your building?
Yeah. I
Oh,
knew
oh,
they
he's-
were up there.
Let's way the fuck over there.
Oh,
It's me.
Got the drop bag inbound.
shall we do this?
Recon contract. Mark.
That was crazy. Finally, a little taste of success.
I got people all over here. Back and going back to the construction site.
Yeah.
Safe zone
Let's
relocated.
cross.
Heading
You
there.
guys want to cross here? Oh, by construction site, you said?
Yeah, we could take them out.
Be advised. There's
I have a
enemy
plate
team hunting
box
for you.
too.
Oh yeah, I need that. Pretty much.
Alright, I'm throwing
Sure.
it.
I don't
Oh,
necessarily
yeah.
need it, but I'll have some extras.
That'd be nice.
Oops.
Beautiful.
red is orange.
Oh, it's going. Missed every shot. Gun's kind of dope. Oh, he's doing the stairs. Hello, hello.
going to be okay.
Sorry,
Cover
I was
me.
just like on one
Covering.
stack of life.
Yep. I was just double checking, making sure I wasn't going for
Great job.
an
Yeah,
impossible.
no, you did the right
Okay,
thing.
right here.
I was getting panicky.
I have 0 ammo now.
I got some. What do you need?
I have AR.
Marking hostile.
I don't have a lot.
But I got a lot of.
Here,
shotguns,
here.
So I'm gonna cover stairs. You guys
Take
cover
this.
window.
No, you take this. Take this.
No, no,
I
no,
have
no,
a,
no, no,
no.
I have a SMG, dude.
Oh, okay.
There's also
I have
a gun right here.
I have 99 bullets.
assault rifle.
That's fine. I'm good for now.
There's also another
I
gun here.
I
that's
have a good
decent.
shotgun, so I am gonna cover stairs either way. There's 2 sets of stairs.
There's guys over here, right here,
Spotted the
right at the
vehicle.
top.
Oh yeah.
And here.
Located.
Oh god.
Where?
Same spot Alex is shooting.
We have enough for our loadout if we want to make a move for a buy station.
Yeah, we could.
They're running.
This one.
Nice ping.
Marking
Yeah.
hostile.
Got gas moving in.
Let's forget those guys
Okay.
and roll towards these
They ran.
buildings and go to
Okay.
buy station. What do you guys
Yeah.
think?
I
I'm gonna
like
cross
it.
into this.
We've
little
been
window
shooting a
right
lot,
here.
so it'd be nice to get out of here.
I'm across. Seems chill.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Dude, they're right. How is the bounty still going on?
I know they seem longer in this game mode or something.
Evaded the enemy trackers.
Shorter.
Good work.
Depending on your perspective.
Enemy
Okay.
UAV
Cash?
overhead.
Oh, you guys are moving fast, huh?
Why wouldn't we be?
All right, cover me.
I'm good. Right here with you. Trying to find my way out.
Just throw it right there, String. It's probably the best spot.
I'm gonna go out there too.
Friendly drop back headed your
Oh
way.
no. It's gonna go on roof.
Put a cluster strike on the roof.
Allied cluster strike incoming.
How do we get?
Up to the roof.
You can get up here from here, guys. There's a
Gas
little
is
window right
closing
here.
in. Relocating
Oh,
the safe
nice.
zone.
And you gotta climb up. It's kind of, it's
Wow,
kinda
it's
tricky.
extremely sketchy. I'm definitely.
I actually like that.
Buy station cost.
Oh, guys down here.
Hostile sighted.
Oh god, yep. Down him.
Oh, fire sale. I'm gonna buy a munition box. Cover me.
Okay.
Those
Mhm.
guys.
I have no money, so
Just bought a freaking self revive.
Munition box coming in. Yes. Coming up the stairs right here. Orange
I'm on the
ping.
move.
Oh my god, I'm at ammo in months.
not to mention bouncing jetties. Oh shit!
What
You know we
else?
can't stay here though.
I know. We should move into the prison below.
I'm on the move.
Hey,
You
what's
want
up?
10 remain. You're
I
closer to
to the
like
roof?
this room right here. I'll show you the little room.
I'm about to get out in the next.
Prices are back
Are
to
ya?
normal.
Me too,
Mhm.
actually though. I can only play like 1 or 2 more. Maybe only
Oh.
this last one. I just have to go
There's
do
stairs
some
right
errands.
here.
I still have to.
I'm on the move.
I can play later
You come
though.
back. You come back on
In
Christmas
your AO.
Eve.
Yeah, okay.
You're
Sarah
losing
texted me
ground.
today and asked if I was coming over.
Radio,
Oh yeah. You're invited.
Alright, I'll be there. Lissa's gonna come too, that's cool.
$20 gift exchange.
Nope, not allowed.
Not allowed.
Rifle over here.
Boys only.
Mm-hmm. Call of Duty only.
Enemy UAV overhead.
They're on the roof down here. Live ping on southeast.
Enemy
Yeah.
cluster
Cluster strike
coming.
coming. I think I'm running kind of towards it.
It almost got me because I was trying to get a piece of cheese.
I saw guys right here.
I'm on the move.
Up on top.
Right here.
Oh, he's up on top.
Plates.
Yep. I
See him?
Yeah, I see him.
Let's see.
I can't believe he's just chilling. There he is. Oh. He ran.
He jumped. I'm pushing.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Dang. People who have the edge of these roofs are gonna be
You
doing
guys need
well.
plates? There's a bunch of plates here.
I'm moving.
I could use some plates. How's everybody doing on everything else though?
I have
Ooh,
4.
some
Yeah, there's a
ammo
bunch
over
of
here.
guns and ammo.
Bunch of ammo.
Mid-caliber rounds.
Where?
Here.
An MP7 here if you're
SMG
trying to
over
shorten
here.
it up. Ooh, and an
Never
M13.
mind.
Ooh, I'll pick that.
Got an assault rifle.
Crazy
SMG over here.
SMG.
Actually, I got 6 shots.
Hey, can
per
you
episode.
hit those?
Here we
Are
go.
those
Marking a bounty,
no,
marking
sorry,
a bounty
underneath.
contract.
underneath?
Bye, baby.
10 left. 10 left. Not a lot of people out there. Okay, I figured out where one group is. They're way out here,
Heading there.
shooting me from a million miles away.
Yeah, let him. Let him.
I think we can roll this way probably.
Oh, look at that! Look at them. They're right here. They're right here at
Going
blue.
there.
Ooh, I might have to pop up my head and get a shot at these
Ooh, I
guys.
like your little ledge you found, Burnett, but I don't know if it's a good idea.
Down one of them.
Guy was
Gas is inbound.
Nice. Thank you for
Aesthetically.
clearing him. He's right down here at blue. Oh, there he goes.
Going there.
Downed him again. Oh, there's
Guy
one.
just landed on this roof right here.
Oh, tell me I get all 3 of those. Damn, they're reviving back behind there.
Spotted an assault rifle.
Blue.
Moving.
Oh. Kill confirmed. So getting shot.
Remain standing.
Got a team wipe on one dude.
Nice job, bro. Shot that thing down there.
He was innocently laying on the roof.
Oh, an orange.
Oh, we gotta go, guys.
I know, last minute here.
Just gonna jump in.
Here's a good spot. You want a blue?
I think we should roll left because there's guys definitely at blue.
Okay.
Oh, careful, there's guys over that way. I think we take this building.
Oh shit. I think I just saw a guy up in this window.
I'm moving.
Oh no.
I knew there was guys down.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
I can
He's
get you,
right
I
there.
think.
Moving.
Give
No, I'm
yourself.
good.
Enemy close to strike. Take cover.
My pink. Hey, man.
Come on, guys, get it together.
Yeah. Should just stay where I was. There's out there.
Picked the wrong fight. Well done.
Still
Yep,
got it.
Victory.
easy peasy.
Victory, huh?
I just stayed, guys. I never even left.